Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Shout out kay Lori D. Magalpok. Yan, salamat po sa suporta mo sa Team Kalingap. Mabuhay po kayo. Yan po, paki-subscribe po mga Kalingap, mga kaibigan. Lori D. Magalpok.
Ayan, suporta po natin si Ma'am Lori D. Magalpok. Napaka-solid supporter and isang Kalingap. Subscribe po na kanyang YouTube channel. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. God bless po. Jesus loves you.
Shout out sa ating napakagandang si Miss Lori. Kasama ko siya ngayon at sa Team Kuroda. Yan. So, kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Sana lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan at happy lang po tayo. Always remember, life is too short to be sad and lonely. Yes! Diba? So, kaya enjoy lang natin every time na we are, breathing, habang humihinga tayo. No bashing, sabi nga ng small, diba? So, just enjoy every minute, every second, every hour of our life. Yeah. And very nice to meet you. And sa lahat ng mga followers mo, keep on following natin. For sure, ang dami niyang mga gustong i-share sa inyo na very, inspirational. Yan. Kasi mahilig po si ate mag-charity, kaya in line kami kasi ganun din naman kami. We love to do charity and service for our mga kababayan. Sabi nga, we don't need to be in a government official para mag-serve sa community. Yeah. Kahit tayo mga normal people na kagaya natin ay kayang-kaya natin tumulong sa kapwa.
Yes, yon, di ba? Exactly. Napakahaba na sinabi ni Miss Patricia pero worth it. Nandun lahat yung pagmamahal. Yun yung pinakang-huli dun yun. Pagmamahal. Sabi niya nga, pwede tayong mag-serve in our own little way. Yes. Hindi natin kailangan na may position tayo in anything, any part of this government we have. Pero
siguro, ate, the only position I wanna have is pag nandun na tayo sa next life natin.
Amen.
Doon yung mas gusto ko may mukha akong doon, yes. Award.
Hindi, pero alam niyo, yung indulgence natin na ginagawa natin sa lupa, indulgence na yun sa heaven. The more na gumagawa tayo ng kabutihan sa kapwa dito sa lupa, galing sa puso natin. Yes. Yun yung pinakang natin, pass pagdating kay Lord. So ang ganda na sinabi ni Miss Patricia, andiyan si Kuya, di ba? Yun talaga, pag talagang nasa puso ang charity. Kahit pa maliit na bagay yan, malaking bagay yan sa mga tinutulungan natin. Yes. Ayan, thank you so much Miss Patricia, and thank you so much for having me as part of the celebration that we had yesterday for your kapatid at saka sa mga niya pamangkin. So thank you so much sa mga kasama po din natin, si Kuya.
Ayan.
Si Kuya Wilhelm. Wow, road manager. Si Tatay Per. At Titay Pit.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes.
Happy Father's Day.
Tatay Pit. Ayan, salamat po. And
ayan, timo si ate yan. Kahit bagong gising, makita mo daw ang kagandahan ng isang babae sa bagong gising.
Yun. Lahat po kami ay bagong gising.
Lipstick lang katapat niyan.
Tama. Ayan. So, end na po natin to. Talaga namang napakasaya. Yun lang po masasabi ko, Miss Patricia. Thank you so much. Sabi ko nga, ang isang Patricia ay magiging isang Patricia. Yun.
Salamat,
thank you so much, and God bless sa inyo sa buhay. Sa family mo especially, at syempre kay nanay, ayan, sa mga kapatid mo, sa buong family, sa buong angkans. Kasi nakita ko talaga yung pagmamahala ng bawat isa kahapon. Grabe yun, nakakatunga nga na lang ako kahapon. Para bang ako isang family na natutuwan-tuwa ako sa lahat ng nangyayari kahapon. Grabe, ayan.
Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. Bye. Bye-bye. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Lori DM Magalpok Vlogs, and magdahan-dahan po tayo. Nag-i-intro pa lang ako, and we woke up like this. Ay grabe na ang woke up like this natin. Ganto na lang tayo na gumising. So welcome back again. Ayan, andyan si Sis Daphne. Kami po ay kakagising lang at talaga namang woke up like this. Shout out sa ating Kuya Val Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlogs, and Kalinga Prab. And walaan niyo po kung nasaan tayo. Kaya nandito tayo sa bahay ni Patricia Javier. Yan, so
feed the fish.
oh, fish. Where's the fish? Oh, I didn't see that. My God, we have so many fish here. This is koi fish, right?
Yes.
Doc? Here, this one. Oh, it was very big. You know, when we are in Bohol, where's Doc? See? You remember when we are in Bohol? Koi fish is very small. But this one, bakit ako nag-i-English?
Oo nga, bakit nga ba?
Why I'm talking in English? I'm talking to myself. Oh my goodness. I said, I've been to Bohol last time. And I saw just a big one, but this is bigger.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, it's bigger. It's very nice.
From Japan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See? Doc, say hi to our vlog.
Hi.
This is Doc Rob. Yeah, we are
Doc, shout out.
yeah, shout out.
Hi guys.
So we catch, yeah.
Great to meet you.
Yes, thank you so much, Doc. We catch Doc early morning, yeah.
Doc,
Yeah, he's feeding the koi fish here.
They love to eat.
Yes, from Japan.
husband of Patricia Javier.
Yes.
See, that's our newest baby there.
There is so much foggy. It's the koi?
Yeah, koi fish.
Koi fish?
Koi fish. It shows on their how big they are because they love to eat too much.
Not all of them get big, only.
Yeah.
That's why they're so valuable.
Oo. Koi fish are almost different kinds, no?
There's many.
Yeah, there's many, right?
All different names. Like one is called Tancho, one is. They're all different. Showa.
Yeah, it's because even the body itself, the pictures.
Yeah.
Because in.
So you can tell what their breed is by their.
Yeah, because I saw in Bohol, it's different kind all over the body. I don't see like this one. This white one with red.
Tancho, with the red on the head and white. That's Tancho.
Tancho.
Yeah. From
Okay.
Japan. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why they have Japanese.
It's nice. See how big it is. And also that black, it's not black. It's like blue, right?
Yeah, the black and white.
The black and white, yes.
That's called Shiro Hitsumi.
Oh my goodness, I cannot memorize all these names.
I sometimes forget too.
Yes. Also, when you buy it, there's already a name.
Well, it's the breed.
It's a breed. It's a breed.
Then
Okay.
it comes with a birth certificate.
My goodness.
Certificate.
Yeah, really?
Because
Oh.
it shows that they're legitimate from a certain farm. Because it means their quality.
So
They
they,
grow big.
and they,
Otherwise, they don't grow big.
and then they cannot be travel unless there's papers, right?
They can't be what?
Traveled.
Shipped from-
They shipped, yeah, from ship. Okay. So see how big it is.
Some get even bigger. And it's
Ooh.
so mahal. 1 million pesos.
And then after that, when it gets bigger, what they're
The ones that spend that. I mean, it's a big business. They breed them. They get their eggs. And
Okay,
then make
but,
more and then sell.
yeah. But what will happen to the old one?
They live 20, 30 years.
Oh my God! So that's good. And it's not only it's very costly, right?
Yeah. Of course, the bigger.
The bigger, yes, more mahal. See? Marunong po siya magtagalog.
But how much this one?
These average around 25,000.
My God.
This one, only one?
One lang.
One
My
lang.
most expensive is 30,000. The shiny one here. That's called a Genrin Sanke.
My goodness.
Because he's so malaki. She.
Yeah. Babae siya. Okay. Yeah.
The small,
Have the eggs.
So this is
small one is boy.
The skinnier ones are boys.
so this is how we are going to differentiate
The
them.
big ones are babae.
Oo, babae.
She's lagi. And they give birth to thousands of eggs.
Oh my
And
God.
then they eat them.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes.
It's set up to have children.
Okay.
Because they need to latch on to like a seaweed and then this is just obviously you can see there's no seaweed. So the eggs get eaten. It's very high protein
yes.
nutrients for the other fish. So already we've had a couple get pregnant and
And
you
eat
see
them.
little eggs, strings of eggs, and they eat.
Oh, they eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Anyways, this is very cost. We cannot even have one of this. And even for taking care of it, it's so hard. So it's very
Yeah,
nice.
down below there's a big compartment that's necessary to keep this thing. You'll see if you walk down. It's
Ah, okay.
room for the pool. And
Really? Thank you, Doc. Yes,
yeah,
we
check this out. We have a spa
oh.
or a sauna. And we have theater.
Oh, there's theater.
Theater.
There's movie theater, Daphne.
Halika.
Alika daw. Ayan, ito yung swimming pool nila, oh.
Pupuin mo na yung isang...
Oo nga. Kaya nga, ayan, oh.
Wait lang, Doc.
So, ayan po yung area dito.
Pupuin yung isang... Ano,
Ang tagal ko nang nakipag-usap, 4 na minuto pa lang yun. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila, oh. Landscape. And also here, see how big it is. And let's go from here. Ayan. So, ay, ito pala yung ano, extension din sa kabila. So, nakita po natin yung malalaking mga isda. Grabe daw. May, from Japan daw yan. At lahat yan ay ano, anong tawag dyan?
I cannot see. Oh, very nice doctor house.
So, dito naman tayo. Ipapakita ni Doc.
House reveal.
House reveal.
House reveal.
Oh, di ba? Oh, pag entrance, wow, so many ano. Ay,
Cheater.
no need to go outside.
It's as good as the movie.
Yes, a movie. Yes, really. See how big is their home theater is. Oh my God. You can even sleep here the whole day. The sounds are quiet. Even listening only to the soft music is good. But watching movies, of course, is very nice. See? And how expensive, you know? See? How soft. Yes. How soft it is. Very soft. Nice.
Tapos, we have nice gym.
Gym. Oh, we need that.
Built to have Patricia and to have Doc Walter.
Yeah.
House.
Ang ano po, ang husband ni Patricia ay doctor.
Example, Doc.
Yan.
Yeah, this is my gym.
Oh. You almost also have all the
Nice, strong, and healthy.
ay, very nice. I want that.
For sample, Doc, for ano?
Huh? No, I want that one, oh.
The gym in the back.
Yes, I want to hit.
Ano, sample. Really.
Ano?
Ano?
Sample for what?
For ano, for Doc, no? You give her sample the...
Back? Oh, really? Oh.
Pyro table here.
Yeah. This is only for... Oh, wow. This is what I want to see. See, look at this. Even the shirt is here. My God, yes. Kobe Bryant uniform. Oh, see, number 8, 24, and 18. Oh my God. Okay, it's very, very. See, this is what I want. Let me check.
Paano tayo? Sample tayo.
Kaya nga. Oh, ito po yung mga gamit ni Doc. Strong and healthy. Yan, oh. Strong and healthy. Meron pa pala siya dito, number 8. Wheaten, 82. Ito, oh. Di ko alam kung paano gamitin yan, pero nakikita ko yan sa mga gym. Diba? Yan, oh. Siyempre, may mga gloves dyan na ginagamit para ano. Yan.
Makabalik ako dito.
Kaya nga.
Ayan si Jen.
Hindi, pag nailibot
First
tayo.
time yung, di bago lang kasi siya.
Pag nailibot tayo, di balik na tayo. Patay natin.
This is Doc
Like office.
This is your own Doc?
Like office. Do
Office.
podcast here.
Oh.
Hangout.
Yeah. Oh, I like the chandelier.
Like this nice picture here of the astronaut.
Yes. But I really wanted the chandelier. Nice. See, the astronaut is ano.
These are like planets.
It's very, very nice.
This is a planet, like a photo of
Pluto, Mars. So you will not get bored, Doc. You have, yes, you have everything here. Yeah, no need to leave.
too much big.
And then no need to travel if you finish.
This is nice. This is nice.
Eddie Garcia.
We're going to the outside.
Now go up the stairs, that's your workout.
Oh, meron this one, oh.
This is the first movie.
Yeah.
Oo.
This is the first movie, ang kabit ni Mr. Montero.
Tapos this one, the other one.
Andiyan ako, nagsumasama ako at that time.
Ito yung unang movie. Unang movie ni Patricia Javier. Look at this name, Patricia Javier. Tapos ito pa yung isa, matalino man ang matching. Naiisahan din. Ayoko na nga niyan sa taas. Star Wars! I like Star Wars. Ito pa isa. Si Iron Man, tapos Avengers, Spider-Man and Black. Gusto ko to, Back to the Future. Napanood ko yung mga ano niyan. Lahat ng mga pala, famous na mga talagang sa Black Panther, yan. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Thor! Ragnarok. Diba? And Jurassic World.
Ito yung matalino mo ng
Isa, no? Ito pa si Batman and Superman.
Guys, nandito po kami ngayon nasa...
Yan, dito kami sa...
isa sa bahay niya. Isa sa bahay niya.
Ayan.
Ito po guys.
Napakalaki.
Yung house rebuild to guys.
Oo.
Dito biro guys. Hindi
Uy.
auto guys kay Patricia.
So, ayan. Dito tayo. Balik tayo sa swimming pool because we love swimming pool. Itong isa ay... Ang tawag dito? Spa. Spa daw yan. Nandiyan nata siya. Hindi. Spa daw yan, sabi niya. Saan?
Okay. Baka ito.
Eye catcher. Meron silang eye catcher.
Spa nga.
Spa yan. Ayan, no?
Spa nga. Ayan,
Spa.
Spa.
Gusto mo magpainit?
This is
Kaso madilim.
spa.
Ang gusto ko to, bonsai. Ay, bonsai. Cute. Gusto ko magkaroon yan sa bahay. Ayan. Maganda kaya niyan. Hindi na yung lalaki. Ayan. Tapos, siyempre, meron tayong ditong tubig na hot water or warm water para hindi na tayo pupunta sa taas. Tapos, yan. Babalik tayo dito sa swimming kaya, I like that. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Ang cute. Ang cute. Diba?
Ito yung guys. Small fish.
Ayan. So, nandito pa lang po tayo sa labas. Mamaya ikot pa tayo.
Ako, na pala may ito.